The first thing we'll have to do is we'll have to make sure that we have a currency script. So I have already made one. And in my case, the currency name is coins. You can have it whatever you want, but we just have to keep in mind that that might change. Now we have to create a part, and we should call this coin. And then what we have to do is we can customize this if we want, but it's not very important. We shall add in a script to this, and in the script we shall write script.parent.touched::next function in the brackets hit. Then if game.get player from character in the brackets hit parent, then local plr equals to, and we can just copy over the if statement part. Now two things. We have to do plr.leaderstats. And now whatever your currency name is, so in my case coins.value plus equals to 1, or how much ever you want this coin to give you, and afterwards simply script.parent::destroy, so that as soon as you draw the coin you lose it. Now we have to put this coin into replicated storage, and we have to create yet another part which is going to be our collection area. So I'm going to have it, let's say, this size. You can make this thing transparent if you wish. You can put it in folders, you can put it in models, you can do whatever you wish. The most important part is that it has a script. And in the script we have a simple while wait, and in here you put the delay. So I want that at every second spawns a coin. Do local p equals to game.replicated storage.coin::clone. So that's a coin that when touched will give you currency and destroy itself. Then p.position equals to script.parent.position plus vector3.new, and this gets complicated. Math.random. So this is for the x. So the math.random is going to be between minus script.parent.size.x divided by 2 or up to script.parent.x divided by 2. So this is going to make that it finds a position between here and here, a random position, and then it's going to be after the at random, it is going to find comma, and this is the height you want them to spawn at. So I am just going to use 5, and then another comma, and here we can just use this whole math.random part, copy it and paste it, and replace the x's with z's. So now it's going to first of all place the part at 5 height more, and then on a random position here. So you should also make this bigger and it would still function the same way. Lastly, what we have to do is we have to parent it into the workspace so that it's usable. So p.parent equals to workspace. And that was it. Well, actually we could make it so that it spawns in a folder. If we'd want that, we just have to insert a folder. Call it, let's say, spawned coins, and then reopen the script and just say, instead of workspace.spawn coins, and that would work already. And now we can actually test this, because now we can see if we play. Oop, we get, oh, okay, there's actually an error I made there, because yes, here I forgot a dot size. But if you didn't do that error, this should still work. And I appear to have accidentally not fixed the error in the next part, because we also need a dot size here. But as we can see, our yellow part, that as we customized it, is starting to spawn every second one and on random positions. Now, as we can see, I have a coins value here because of my currency system. And now if I start walking through these coins, each of them gives me a coin and afterwards disappears. I'm stripped of lots. I'm just going to quickly walk through these coins and become rich. And I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Bye!